What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving out there to all my favorite crypto enjoyers out there. It is Trader Neil back at you with another video. Today we're going to be checking out an altcoin that I actually made a video about a couple weeks ago that has skyrocketed since then. We're going to take a look at it, see how price action has moved since we last looked at it, and where I'm looking to pick up some more of it for the next couple weeks to months. But before I get started, guys, as always, I would appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel at Trader Neil, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. You know, today on all days, I am very thankful for all of you guys out there that are subscribed to me, that appreciate these videos, that want to pretty much listen to me speak and talk about these crypto coins and see what I have to say. It means a lot. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great holiday out there, especially if you're an American celebrating. All right, guys, with the gushy stuff out of the way, let's get started. So the coin that I am talking about is none other than ENA here. So ENA is a coin that I gave you guys a buy-in down here at this daily demand zone, and ever since then it has run up 134%. So if any of you guys took that buy-in down there, you are up very, very nicely. And pretty much, guys, my thoughts about ENA since this pump are, I think that looking at this in a market structure point of view, you know, we had this sort of like rounded bottom structure here. And so, sorry about that, guys. Looking at this sort of like rounded bottom structure, of course, you can see that ever since we put in these lows, like I talked about over here, you put in a higher low, and then ever since we've been putting in nothing but higher lows and higher highs here. So market structure has continued to be bullish here. And at the moment, I am looking to buy some pullbacks on ENA and add to my bags. So looking at this chart, we do have our fixed range volume profile here. If I pull this all the way across, you can see that our value area high has slightly shifted down since we last looked at it over here. And so we are very, very close to that value area high now. And I do think that this does get tapped in the near future. And what would I be looking at? I think at this point, seeing the value area high tapped, taking out that important level of resistance, and then seeing ENA come down to this historical SR level, which is also previous range highs here, I think could be a nice buy opportunity. Or if we lose this level at 6538, guys, I am looking for a couple of these lower levels as well. This daily level below us at 5156 and previous range highs. And this is a really important level, guys. So looking at previous range highs here in ENA, as you can see, this is pretty much your boundary of your lower range here, because you have support being acted as support there back in July. You've got it acting as resistance here at the beginning and middle of October, and you put in quite an emphatic bullish engulfing candle right there at that level. And so looking at this chart now, I think coming down, retesting that level since you never got to retest there, and filling this daily FVG would actually be a nice buy opportunity. So I know a lot of people, you know, they don't want to see ENA come down and hit these levels after this huge pump to the upside. Of course, seeing our coins go up and up and up constantly, guys, that's what we want to see. But is it a reality? Not necessarily. So we just have to prepare, and that's why we take profits in the meantime. Because, for example, guys, ENA is barely off these highs here. So if you bought in at these levels with me, at this point you're up very, very nicely. So what I would be doing personally is taking some off the table and then looking to recompound those buys at these lower levels. And I've been trading ENA as well, leverage trading it on Phemex. And if you guys want to sign up for Phemex, they are actually running a Thanksgiving Trade-a-thon right now. You can use my link in the description below to sign up. And if you join today, you get a chance to win an Apple family bundle with, you know, a Mac, iPad, iPhone, all that jazz. and up to $100,000 in USDT just for signing up. And so if you sign up now, the event is going on and it's lasting till December 7th. So you guys still have about a week and a half to be able to take advantage of it. Well, all right, guys. So that's pretty much my thoughts here on ENA. Looking at this chart here, it is still quite bullish. If I go over maybe the most bearish scenario for this chart, it would look something like this. So if ENA by chance topped somewhere in this zone, say for example it topped just now, and that was your overall top for the near future, seeing ENA come down all the way to this 886, putting in a higher low, which would then be something like this, where you would have a bullish cipher scenario or bullish shark scenario here at the 886 before continuation to the upside for something like that. That would also be completely fine. Is it something that I think is going to happen at these current prices and that's what I'm betting on? Not necessarily, but I'm just going to show that that scenario is of course a possibility. And as a result, if you if you follow what I'm doing and essentially take some off the table after such a large move to the upside, just in case we do have a move to the downside to recompound, then whatever happens from here, you're going to be in a good situation. But overall, guys, I do think ENA is a coin that I am looking for a nice move up, especially towards the end of the cycle when altcoins really start get going against BTC. If you do get these compound buys at these levels, two all-time highs, it is still 228% gains. And that's not even two fresh highs. That's just a previous all-time highs. And so seeing ENA push to those prices could be a nice payday. So that's what I'm looking for. Hopefully we get that. If we get a pullback, don't be scared, guys. At the moment, I am buying dips in crypto, and hopefully we get rewarded. But that's it for the video today, guys. If you guys like what you see, I would very much appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you stay to the very end of this video, I want you to use code word Thanksgiving in the comment section below. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. This is Trader Neil signing out. Peace.